Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Power the Android TV and ensure the universal remote has fresh batteries and the correct mode, IR or Bluetooth selected. Once done, open Settings, then Remotes and Accessories, because Android scans for devices only from that menu. Put the remote into pairing or code search mode. That lets the TV detect its signal. You do this now to avoid wasted steps. Pairing mode exposes the remote's ID, so the TV can match protocols and accept commands. Once the TV lists devices, select your remote and follow on-screen prompts to pair, because automatic pairing is fastest and reduces setup errors. If the remote isn't listed, switch to manual code entry or run the TV's auto search for codes. This iterates through supported codes until keys respond. Make sure to test power, volume, and input right away. Those confirm correct mapping. If one key fails, rerun code search or try the next code. Sometimes multiple trials are necessary for complete control. You finish by saving the pairing and exiting settings, and then verify every function you need. If buttons don't behave as expected, reboot the TV and retest. This clears temporary mapping glitches. If features are missing, reassign buttons in the remote settings or install the Remote Maker's app for advanced mapping. One troubleshooting tip: when pairing fails, confirm Bluetooth versus IR mode, ensure a clear line of sight for IR, and, if necessary, perform a factory reset on the universal remote before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.